Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are extremely well. So in this video, I'm back again with an amazing opportunity and that is from TCS itself. So we'll be exploring about this opportunity further in the video itself. But before this, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, what are you waiting for guys? Do subscribe this channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any important update or opportunity from the channel itself and be a part of our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram community is given in the description itself. Before proceeding further, an important announcement to do is that if you are looking to purchase any courses of the Geeks for Geeks, right, you can get the discount on their courses. That is 10% discount you can get on their courses by using the coupon code Study with Soumya, where every character should be in capital. The coupon code is provided in the description itself. So use that coupon code, get 10% off and start learning now. So happy learning guys. So let's see what is this opportunity all about. So this is TCS Smart Hiring. Do the smart hiring and make hashtag the big move. So you can see registration and the date is 2nd of November 2021. Test date is 19th of November 2021. Interview date will be announced post test results. Register now. This is an amazing opportunity. Now for whom this opportunity is. So about TCS Smart Hiring for year of passing 2020, 2021 and 2022. Okay, so what I'm seeing is that companies are hiring a lot. I don't think now anyone is going to be unemployed, right? Because so much hiring is taking place nowadays. You can see yesterday there was I uploaded a video regarding hiring at Capgemini. Today we have this opportunity from TCS itself, that is even for 2020, 2021 and 2022. So TCS Smart Hiring is exclusively for BCA, BSc from Math, Statistics, Physics, Chemistry, Electronics, Biochemistry, Computer Science, IT. We work in CSIT from the year of 2021 and 22. The students who perform exceptionally during our TCS Smart Hiring selection process will get an opportunity to join TCS Ignite, TCS Unique Science 2 software program. So this is a program which will, as if you can see, BSc students are generally from science stream. So that will help you to get into from science to software. This program trains you on trending technology and will open the doorway to a holistic and global IT career for you. So for more details on eligibility criteria, kindly refer the test eligibility section below. So first of all, let's talk about the application process for Smart Hiring. So first you have to log on to the TCS Next Step portal. Here's the link provided, right? And then what you have to do is register and apply for the TCS Smart Hiring process. If you are a registered user, kindly log in and proceed to complete the application form. Upon submission, kindly click on Apply for Drive. So this is a mandatory step. If you are not clicking on Apply for Drive, you won't be considered for the test process. If you are a new user, kindly click on Register Now. Choose category as IT. Again, choose category as IT. Please don't do any mistake, right? And proceed to fill your details, submit your application form, and then click on Apply for Drive. Select your mode of test, in center or remote, and click on Apply. To confirm your status, track your application. The status should reflect as applied for Drive. So your status should be reflected as applied for Drive if you have properly done all the steps. So here is some important note given that you must have all your original academic documents as applicable, that is mark sheet and degree certificate. Communication related to the test will be shared by you by TCS ION. Test mode in center or remote, once selected, at the time of Apply for Drive cannot be changed later. So they are clearly mentioning that at the time of Apply for Drive, once if you chose this in center or remote, it cannot be change letter. So whatever you want to choose wisely. TCS does not send job offers, any hiring related communication from unofficial email ID like Gmail, Rediff Mail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, etc. So be aware of the fraudulence as well. TCS does not request candidates to deposit any money for job offers. TCS is not associated with any external agency, company to conduct any interview or make offers of employment on its behalf. If you need any help, so here this number provided and this email ID is also provided, so you can check that. So let's talk about the test eligibility. So first of all, courses and disciplines. So full-time graduate from BCA, BSc. You can see all these information has been mentioned. Students from NIOS standard 10th and standard 12 can also be a part of the test if they have a full-time graduation. Percentage. So students should have a CGPA of 5 or 50% throughout the academic in 10th, 12th and above mentioned stream. Backlogs are here. So they have talked about for year of passing 2022. So only this is for 2022. They have specific message or note that only students from year of passing 2022 are allowed. So only student of 2020 are allowed to have one active backlog at the time of appearing for the exam. So at the time of appearing for the exam, if you are having one active backlog, then that's not a problem. This backlog should be cleared within the stipulated time duration to be eligible for TCS Smart Hiring. Students from year of passing 2021 and 2020 should have completed the course with no pending backlogs. Gap break in education that they have allowed is, it is mandatory for students to declare gaps in education, if any. So if you are having any gap, you have to mention that as well. The overall academic gap should not be, so the gap should not be more than 2 years. That is what they have mentioned. Extended education, students should not have any extended education in their highest qualification. TCS will be conducting eligibility checks at various stages. Okay, so it's not like if you are just now you are qualifying the exam, later on there will be a background check. So even after getting selected, if you are not really meeting the eligibility criteria, you will be rejected. So that's why it's very important that you are meeting the eligibility criteria. If a student, you can see they have mentioned as well, that if a student is found ineligible at any stage, TCS reserves every right to not proceed with the candidature. Test pattern they have provided is, so let's see. So TCS IO1 is the test provider for TCS Smart Hiring process. You will be having verbal ability, reasoning ability, numerical ability. So 24 from verbal, 30 from reasoning, and 26 from numerical. These are the number of questions, and minutes is 30, 50, and 40. So overall 80 questions will be there, and 120 minutes will be allotted. So here are some frequently asked questions as well, in case you are having any doubt, like as which year of passing is considered for TCS Smart Hiring. So 20, 21, and 22. When is the TCS Smart Hiring test scheduled? Do I need to create my profile? So there are many questions that has been covered. Mostly asked questions, frequently asked questions has been covered in this section. So if you are having any doubt, first of all, try to check from these questions if it is going to solve your doubt. Then you can drop a mail to them on the provided email ID. So guys, this is an amazing opportunity for you. Hope you have found this video useful. If this is so, then make sure to hit the like button, share the video among your friends as well who are eligible for this opportunity, and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel, be a part of our Telegram community. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye-bye.